Hi there. Let's take a look at how to continue on in Chapter 1 after the first part of the assignment is done. How do we continue on to the next screen print? Okay, so on my screen you can see I have open already the module assignment guide for Module 1. So I'm following along in that guide as I'm reading in my textbook and doing the work in Outlook. So I've already logged into my virtual desktop. I'm in Google Chrome. I logged into the virtual desktop. I launched Outlook. I'm ready to go. So how do I carry on? So I've already read pages 1 through 15 in the book, and I've completed those steps along the way. And when I got to page 15, I knew from the assignment guide to take a screen print of that work, and I have that screen print saved in my Word document. Now I'm ready to continue on. What I'll do is I'll keep reading in the book. Pages 16 and 17 are reference information, so I'm going to read those pages. I don't really do anything. Then on page 18 in the book, it tells me, open up the email message from Ella Pauly. Okay, so in my Outlook, I think maybe on page 14, we imported those data files. We imported or opened those data files given to us. So that part is already done. Now you just have to find them. And it's a little bit tricky. So here in Outlook, on the left-hand side of the screen, I see my Exchange user. You'll see your Exchange user information there. I'm going to scroll down until I see Outlook data files. That's where it's at. And then notice you have a whole nother inbox. You have a whole nother junk and sent and all. It's sort of duplicative in your Outlook. And that's just the way it is. Okay, so this is where I need to go. I need to go to this inbox. It trips up a lot of people because there's two inboxes. You have one up here for your Exchange user and you have another one down here. Oh, sorry, if I scroll up. I have one up here and then I have one down here. And even above that, this little favorites is sort of where they're suggesting you go. Ignore all of that. Scroll down until you see the Outlook data file. Click that inbox. And there's our email from Ella Pauly, and in the book it says double click. So I'm going to double click that email from Ella Pauly to display the message. Now if I go back to my assignment guide, it says after where you open the message from Ella Pauly, take a screen print. So now I'm ready to do that whole snipping tool procedure to take a screen print of this, add it to my homework document that I'll submit at the end of Chapter 1. All right, if you have any trouble at all, just let me know.